What's up, guys? Y'all back again. I'm about to unbox this SC28 by Team Associated. I'm going to pop the window open so you can see the short course Fox body up in there. I like this nice little window here. Let me just tear it out so you can just see it like that. Alright, go ahead and crack the seal on her. I have my other scissors here right now, my other knife. A little struggle. Boom. Alright. So real quick, just run it down for you. Comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio, integrated charging jack. Simple as plug it in, charge and go. The remote runs off of AA's. Alright. Then this one actually has a durable front bumper on it and a realistic wheels and rubber tires in the back. It is ready to run, two-wheel drive, 1/28 scale. All right, batteries included, which is already in the chassis of the vehicle. There's no need to take the battery out. You can't, get to the battery. It's all internal. Electric, radios include, all that good stuff. All right. If you guys want to know, it's I guess the part number 20157. All right. Team Associated 1/28 scale short course truck. All right. Go ahead and pop it open so you guys can see. And this is what it looks like once you pop it open. It looks really, really good. I love the color scheme. All right. Go ahead and pull it out, and then has a little stadium look back there. Pull it out. Has a booklet on the bottom. Has little stickers here. Again, you know me, man. I don't really read too many manuals. All right. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's like it's a little stadium. See the people in the back of the stadium, all that good stuff. And then you got the radio in the back here. All right, so let me go ahead and cut the radio out. It's gonna be a little hard with this guy. So actually, let me take the car out first. I don't mess anything up. I don't know what I did with the box cutter, but I get it out. So real quick, I'm not even gonna lie, man. I really like the way this look. Yes, sir. Yeah, you know me, I've mostly had the Slash short course truck, and exactly what I'm thinking when I first saw it. Yeah, it's probably based off the SC10 and all that, but for me, it's always referring back to the Traxxas brand, because one of those I really runs the short course from Traxxas, the Slash. But yeah, man, it looks real good, feel real good. I like the bumper. The bumper is pretty tough, man. Again, the body is hard plastic. It's not, flimsy that you think it might have been because it's a small car. It's the same type of layout as the Truggy and the trail truck. These pins are really small. That's one thing you guys gotta realize. These pins are very small. You can lose these guys. All right. Pop the body off. The antenna is back here. See the little antenna right there. And we got the tires. There, it looks pretty good. Rolls pretty smooth. Like tells they're all the same as far as the chassis layout. Definitely a really nice little short course truck. I like has a little bump stop right here. You see a little lip right there. So when the arm moves, it stops right there. Little shocks. There's no oil, just a spring setup. I really like this body and the color. The body is pretty. It's pretty firm. I'm pressing pretty good on it. That's pretty good. All right. Let me get the radio out for you guys. You guys probably seen a ton of these unboxing or these videos already, but let's see. Let me get this guy out for you guys. All right, got that. That's the radio here. Now it does come with included battery, so basically, you get everything you need to run this thing. This battery just goes into the transmitter and it charges the car right up. From my experience with the two I've already had, this is my third one. Just to tell you how addictive these little cards are. This is my third one in about a week, maybe a week, a couple of days, I want to say, but yeah, it's my third one. So you take the batteries here, little clip here, locks it in on the bottom, pull that back, pop it up. Look inside, it has a little, the charging port just pulls out like that. It has a little slot here on the side where you can just slide the cord in, and you're able to close the door and charge it. All right, put the cord, and then close it up. Do we have power? There we go. Got power now. So now, I think it take about 25 minutes or so to charge up on the first charge. Plug it in, and then it goes green. It's charging. It's going to turn off once it's fully charged. It's going to turn off. All right. So I'm going to let it charge, and I'll come back with you guys with a running video. And again, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, share the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right.